Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are going to be making vermicelli pudding. It is very popular in the South Asia region. It is used during occasions, parties, or whenever you have guests over. It's very easy to make. You only need 4 ingredients and most importantly it's so delicious. So I'm going to get to the first part and show you my trick. So let's get to it. So firstly, I get the vermicelli packet and try to get it and crush it between my hands. This kind of helps to keep all the bits inside the packet in one place, because usually when you're doing this in the pan it kind of gets messy and everywhere and you don't really want that. So yeah, once it's been crushed all properly into small pieces, you can take it out from the packet and place it into a bowl. So our first ingredient is the 100-gram butter, and then the 150-gram vermicelli that I just crushed up, and 10 tablespoons of sugar, 4 pints of milk, and I'm decorating with cardamom and edible roses. You can decorate with almonds, pistachio, whatever you prefer. Now we can move on to making the dessert. First you'll need a large pot just like the one I'm using, but then we'll move the gas onto slow heat. Our first ingredient will be the 100-gram of butter, and you can throw that straight in, and then I'm going to take the 150 vermicelli and throw that in too. Now we would want to melt the butter so that the vermicelli is fully covered in butter. You can keep mixing the contents until the butter is fully melted. Now you can see the vermicelli is fully covered in the melted butter. Our next step would be to make the vermicelli go brown, and the reason we're doing this on the slow heat is so that the vermicelli does not burn. Now the vermicelli has gone brown, as you can see, now we can move on to pouring the milk in. So we're going to take 2 pints of milk and pour that straight into the pot. The other 2 pints of milk we will be using afterwards. Now that the 2 pints of milk have been poured in, we can turn the heat up to full and carry on mixing the contents until the milk fully boils. After a couple of minutes, the milk will start to boil and look like this. Once the milk has boiled, we can move on to our last ingredient, which is the sugar. So you can take your 10 tablespoons of sugar and pour that right into your pot. And continue to stir so the milk boils again. You want the milk to boil again so that it's thick and creamy, as this is a dessert and you do want that thick texture. Now that the milk has come to a boiling point again, we can go back to our remaining 2 pints of milk and start to add that in, but gradually. So stir the contents for 30 seconds, pour a little in, and repeat this method until you've used the entire 2 pints. So once all the milk has been poured in, we'll continue to stir, but this time we do not want the milk to boil, we just simply want the milk to get heated, and once it is all fully heated, just like you can see, you can place the lid on and turn off your heat. Your vermicelli pudding is made. So here it is, your vermicelli pudding, also known as Seviyan or Semiyan. This is a dessert that can be served hot or cold. If you'd like to serve it cold, just let it cool down and place it in the fridge for 1 hour, and that's it. So don't forget to hit the like button, and if you like today's result, then please give us a like and subscribe. This is it, your easy, delicious vermicelli Seviyan pudding.